Hello, beautiful people. Welcome again to another episode of Solishai's Cuisine. Today is this delicious, easy, but tasty Cameroonian yam porridge. If you want to know how I made this delicious yam porridge, then keep watching. So we need yam, grounded crayfish and bay leaves, ginger, garlic, pepper, some onions, some salt and seasoning cubes, pebe, country onions, bush pepper, white pepper powder. For the protein, we need dry meat and fish, some palm oil, and for the vegetable, I'll be using bitterleaf, but you can use any one of your choice. I love bitterleaf because it gives it some certain kind of taste. Next, I'm going to peel the yam, cut it into small sizes, wash it very well, keep it in a bowl in water and set aside. Be free to cut your yam into the sizes that you prefer. Next, in a pot, I will add the dry meat, add some water, some salt, some seasoning cube, some chopped onion, and I will let this simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the yam into the meat. Next, add some water. Make sure the water is just a little bit above the yam, not too much. After which, I will add all the other ingredients, the vegetable, the blended ginger, garlic, and onions, the dried ingredients all together. So if you're not using meat for this recipe and you just have dry fish, then after peeling and washing your yam, put it in the pot, add your water and all the other ingredients just as seen in the video. After putting all the ingredients together, cover the pot, let it simmer for like 10 minutes, and then give it a good and proper stir. And this process is going to be repeated until the meal is ready. And when you are stirring, you also want to taste to make sure that your salt and your seasoning is just enough for you. After stirring and then covering the pot again for the second time, you can see that the consistency has changed. It is now a bit thicker than it was before, and this is a sign that your yam porridge is almost ready. So at this point, I had to use a knife to be sure that the yam is cooked. So you could as well use a knife, or you could use a fork to find out. So, guys, this is it. The meal is ready. Bring out your plate, serve it, and enjoy. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment when you try it. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to the family. And to my already subscribers, thank you very much for your support. And if you haven't subscribed, please kindly click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, keep loving each other, and remember, the love of God is the greatest gift of mankind. God bless you. Bye bye.